Welcome back, viewers. We got another update for you. Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate. And we just got another listing. Sold it, well, it's under contract in 1 day. Check it out. We got a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's an attached townhome. It's about 1,400 square feet in the subdivision of Palm Cove. Super close to the water park, super close to the beach, right next door to a brand new subdivision going in. It's a really attractive community because there's 2 community pools there. And the price point, it's really hard to find anything in Panama City Beach for under $200,000 right now, where you don't have to mow your lawn, and you know what I'm saying? Great opportunity for a first-time home buyer or an investor that is looking for a good rental income property. Perfect for that. So anyhow, guys, check out some of the photos. We did some aerial photography around the building and kind of showing the subdivision and the proximity of how close it is to the beach. Hope you enjoy, and if you guys have property you want to sell in Palm Cove or in the Panama City Beach, Panama City, Northwest Florida area, you know what to do. Contact information is below. Give us a sub. Give us a shout out if you have any concerns or questions about the market nowadays. We'd be happy to talk to you. Talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye for now.